You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this South African actress. I'll give it a try. I'm not fantastic at pronouncing this name, but I'll give you a clue. Ama Qamata is essentially how it's pronounced. I cannot pronounce it, do it really well. Ama Qamata. But yeah, that's it. That's the idea. Ama Qamata. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.